You're scrolling through Reddit, minding your own business, when suddenly a Lunar ad pops up. Intriguing, right? But before you dive headfirst into the crypto world, a burning question arises: is Lunar safe to use on Reddit? Let's find out. Now, Reddit is a wild west of information. You've got memes, news, and everything in between. And amidst the chaos, cryptocurrency ads are becoming increasingly common. Lunar, with its promise of easy crypto investing, is a popular choice. But is it truly safe to engage with their ads on this platform? Addressing safety concerns. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room: scams. The crypto world is notorious for them. So, how can you be sure Lunar isn't just another rug pull waiting to happen? Due diligence is key. Before clicking any link or investing a single dime, do your research. Check Lunar's website. Look for a professional website with clear terms and conditions, a strong security policy, and a transparent team. Read user reviews, explore online forums, and review platforms to see what other users are saying about their experiences with Lunar. Verify their licenses and regulations. Ensure Lunar operates within the legal and regulatory frameworks of your jurisdiction. Reddit's role. Scrutinize the ads. Be wary of overly flashy or unrealistic promises. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Look for red flags. Watch out for ads that lack transparency, pressure you to invest immediately, or use aggressive tactics. Utilize Reddit's search bar. Search for any previous discussions or warnings about Lunar on the platform. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits of using Lunar on Reddit. Accessibility. Reddit can be a great platform to learn about cryptocurrency and discover new investment opportunities. Lunar ads can serve as a gateway to explore the world of crypto. Community. Reddit boasts a vibrant crypto community. You can engage with other users, ask questions, and gain valuable insights from their experiences. Educational resources. Many Reddit communities dedicated to cryptocurrency offer valuable educational resources, including articles, tutorials, and discussions. Safety tips. Here are some essential safety tips to keep in mind when interacting with Lunar ads on Reddit. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile. Invest only what you're comfortable losing. Enable two-factor authentication. Protect your Lunar account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Be mindful of phishing attempts. Be wary of suspicious links or messages that claim to be from Lunar. Stay updated. Keep yourself informed about the latest crypto news and security threats. Ultimately, the safety of using Lunar on Reddit depends on your own due diligence. By conducting thorough research, exercising caution, and prioritizing your own financial security, you can navigate the crypto world with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.